Hello guys, what's going on? Today our topic is how to comment in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Adding comments to your code is a helpful way to include notes that explain to you or others what the code does. Code or other text that is commented out is ignored by the browser. Watch the full video and learn how to create comments in HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon and never miss any update. So without wasting your time, let's dive in. To comment out a single line of HTML, place the text or code you are commenting between these commenting tags. Here's how this looks in the code. When you load the website, the HTML comment won't show up on the page itself. To create a multi-line or block HTML comment, you still use these comment tags. But you can have more than one line in your comment. As long as you contain the comment text between the tags, it will be included in the comment. Here's an example of a multi-line HTML comment, and here is how it will look on the website. To make a single line CSS comment, put the comment text or code between these tags. Here's an example. To write multi-line or block CSS comments, you can use these tags and put the comment content on multiple lines. Here's what a multi-line CSS comment would look like. To create a single line comment in JavaScript, begin the line with 2 forward slashes. Here's an example of that. You can also add a single line comment on the same line as some code. As long as the comment is lost content on that line, it will work. Here's what that would look like. If you want to create a multi-line or block comment in JavaScript, enclose the comment text between these tags. This is the same method as in CSS. Here's what that will look like. And here's a tip. Adding comments to your code in HTML, CSS and JavaScript will help others people to understand what your code is about. It's also helpful when you are working on a project in development and need to comment out some code while testing. But just make sure to not leave comments in production code. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon and never miss any kind of ugly question. Okay then, see you in the next problem.